Hi, my name is Patrick. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of PushBI version 3 for the Windows Phone 7. So what I did is I clicked on the PushBI tile. It'll immediately take me to my feeds page. Now the feeds page is it knows who I am and the security associated with it. So it delivers me kind of personalized information down to my phone. So in this case here, you'll see all the feeds that I have access to. Our feeds end up being one of two things. One is it can be a URL to another system, like SharePoint. So in this case, I can tap off, hit news. It takes me to a SharePoint site where it has news or news information in regards to retail fed to me through a special skim. PushBI also delivers business intelligence, or the metrics that I care about, to my device. So in this scenario that I have here, I'm a manager, a regional manager of many stores. So in this case here, you'll see my KPIs of the stores that I'm responsible for. We have spark lines for those stores, and then the sales numbers for those stores. Now what's really neat about PushBI is we really look at any information that's fed onto your phone. It needs to be actionable information, which means that I'm not going to spend a lot of time drilling down or searching folders or spinning pie charts or anything like that. We want to treat it like a scorecard, because any of this information, you have goals, you have a plan, you have targets, and how are we faring our actuals against those targets. So in this case here, you can see these three stores are doing great. They're in the green. These two are yellow, but yellow's okay. And then this Seattle store is in the red. So I can take action by that by just touching on that KPI, so I can drill down in and see the context for that number. So in this case, you can see I can see sales over time for many months. But a really unique feature of PushBI is have the ability to touch on that thresholds, and now I can see that plan or those targets over time. You can see for a while I've been running in the red, and now I'm peaking up over. So the last month here, we've had some pretty good sales. That's a feature really only found in PushBI, the ability to treat that trend data like a scorecard by overlaying those thresholds. You also have the ability just to tap and show values, and it'll show the values on each one of the points. But really, a lot of questions come to mind here in your head, so you might want to see what others are saying. So other people can have access to that KPI and basically leave comments about it too. So you can see we can leave all kinds of comments. You can just come in there, you can tap in your comment and hit enter. So it's a great way we found on the phones. It's a great way because people are so used to kind of texting back and forth that we can capture that commentary with the KPI in PushBI. Another neat feature is, I may be an executive in a company. I might have access to 100 KPIs or maybe 200 KPIs. And boy, having those all on the phone would be kind of tough, which you can do. But you also have the ability with the star over here to basically pin that as a favorite KPI. So now that's available to you in your favorite or in your My Metrics. So now instead of trying to scan through the folders of KPIs, you can just go in the one folder, and those will be the ones that you're monitoring, because a typical person will monitor between 5 and 7 KPIs a month. But if I even want even more detail on it, I can change the type of view. I can change it to a column, or I can change it to a pie chart, because people like pie charts. I can even change it to a funnel. So I can change these views. You can see how instant and fast it is. So really, I can provide many different views if you want to see it from different perspective. But then if I want to talk to the owner of the KPI, I can actually drill down into the details of that. And in this case, I can see Brian. He might be the store manager or the owner of this KPI. So I can tap on his email address. I can send him an email. I could tap on the phone number. I could send him a text or give him a call. So right there, I have a person I can talk to. Again, I don't have to spend time trying to find that information on my device. One click, I can call, see what's going on. A feature only found within PushBI is the ability to integrate other enterprise links to this KPI. So in this case here, I could actually jump off to a SharePoint portal, or really a lot of reports have already been written in Excel. So I could tap on that Excel link and go quickly to that Excel document. So in this case here, up on Office Live, I have access to that Excel document. I have another Excel report in here too. So this is great, because what we're doing with PushBI is we're not forcing you to rewrite all your reports with PushBI. We'll actually integrate with those other reporting solutions and integrate that into the story of that metrics. That's a very powerful feature only found within PushBI. So I'm going to take you back to the home screen again. So I appreciate you taking the time to view this quick video. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us or give us a call. You can download these applications in the app stores. If you'd like to use it for your company, give us a call. We can set you up with a trial where you can try it with your data in your environment and really get a feel for how to get that information out to that mobile force. Thank you for watching.